Welding is the process of joining metals and thermoplastics by means of coalescence. It is an economical and effective process for creating strong joints between two or more parts. Stick electrodes, flux cord wires, solid wires, SAW wires, and fluxes are some of the welding consumables employed during the welding process. The welding industry's growth is highly dependent on global steel consumption. The global welding consumables market is forecast to witness high growth due to the positive outlook of end-use industries such as building and construction, automobile and transportation, marine, power generation, and oil and gas industries. Nouveaux Industries Private Limited is committed to manufacturing the world's best quality welding consumables for smaw, gmaw, gtaw, FCAW, and SAW processes and medium and high carbon wires for spring steel applications with over 2 decades of service. Nouveaux Industries Private Limited is evolved as a single window manufacturing company for welding consumables and wire products with the largest capacity having 3 hectares in southern India near the district Coimbatore, and is supported by machinery and testing facilities that enable us to fulfill the requirements of the clients on time. Our current capacity is 15,000 metric tons per annum, and we are focusing to reach 25,000 metric tons in the upcoming years. We have a well-equipped and Indian boiler regulation-approved laboratory for chemical analysis, mechanical testing, and metallurgical examination for incoming inspection, in-process inspection, and final inspection. We have a team of trained and experienced 300+ strong people from various domains like metallurgy, welding technology, mechanical and electrical engineers, and well-experienced technical people, and so on. All in-house facilities and self-operative team help in our self-evaluating approach. All products are being manufactured by assuring the best quality raw material and employing the latest manufacturing technology. At Nouveaux, we are having advanced machinery all under one roof too. Provide quality products in a given standard time. Our vision is to be a leading global manufacturer, supplier, and innovator of the welding consumable industry. Our prestigious customers are TVS, Dale, Indian Railways, Welspun Corporation, Royal Enfield, UNO India, Schwinstetter, Mail, and Jindal SAW Limited. Our product got certification and approvals from CE, Dale, IBR, and RDSO. Our plant got ISO 9001:2015 certified. Our sales team maintaining positive business relationships with our customers to ensure future sales. The logistics team is committed to timely delivery and directing, optimizing, and coordinating the full order cycle.